Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix low FPS in Windows 11 when gaming. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type registry editor, click on open it, select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this registry path. Just to copy the first path and paste it and press enter. Make sure you selected GameConfigStore. On right side you just need to drag this to on right side and double click on the game DVR enabled and set this value data to 0 and click on OK. And now you just need to find game DVR FSE behavior mode. Just double click on it, set this value data to 2 and click on OK. And now you just need to copy and paste the second registry path and press enter. On left side you just need to make sure you selected AllowGameDVR. On right side you just need to double click on the value and set this value data to 0 and click on OK. And now you just need to close stuff here and you just need to update your graphics driver guys. To do this, for NVIDIA users use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience installed on your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Write-On software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.